guys, it's Bear Grylls, and today we're on the west coast. We just stumbled across this fort.
Nature is amazing. Trees do. Look at this. We made this, and we're gonna be sleeping in it. Yeah, tonight. Fortnite.
Come on, I'll ring the doorbell. Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Who's there?
Oh. Who's there?
Bear Grylls, of course.
Bear Grylls. You don't sound very British. You sound quite Australian today.
Oh, I don't know what he is.
He's British.
Oh, is he really?
He has Australian energy. Come in. Come in.
Okay.
Come into our lovely abode.
I'll come in. Oh.
Hey, Bear Grylls.
I'm too tall for this shit. Look at this place we made.
Just now.
All by ourselves.
Very like structurally
Sound.
integrity. Yeah. And then
Megan, I can see all of your pores.
How's it look?
don't look at my pores. There's so many.
Yo, buddy, we be walking.
We're just like minding our own business.
And look at this. We have to go up.
Can we run up it?
Guys, try. Alright. Be back in a sec. Y'all, we just ran up it.
We did it.
It took like maybe 8 seconds. But now we have more, so that sucks.
It'll be great. We're athletes. It'll be good.
Yeah, eat squad by.
Yeah.
Okay, Megan, I'm gonna catch you. Okay, I caught you.
Or not.
Oh my god. Zwimba. Wow, Meg.
Nice, Meg. How are you? Meg.
Shortcut.
Hardcore parkour. Is this a ruse? Nature's amazing.
Caution. Trail work ahead.
I sure hope it does. Oh wait, I forgot the It's is it right? Yeah. Is it yeah or I think it's filming.
Yep. Take 2. Caution. Road. Nope. Take 3. My bad. Okay, ready? One more time. Caution. Trail work ahead.
Yeah. Yeah, I sure hope it does. Nailed it. That's it.
Caution. Trail work ahead.
Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Oh my god. Is that a bear?
Is that a bear? Nature's amazing.
Yes.
Where's that from?
Nature's amazing.
Nature's amazing. Are you okay? Are you okay? Did you eat paint? She huffed paint. Is she high on paint? Kitty, are you alive? Are you dying? Kitty.